Imagine if your SMT equipment could not only identify current issues but also predict future ones. Welcome to the world of predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a revolutionary approach that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to anticipate and address potential machine failures before they occur. At its core, predictive maintenance is about being proactive, not reactive. Here's how it works. Artificial intelligence systems analyze vast amounts of data from your SMT equipment, studying patterns and trends. They learn from past performance, identifying signs and symptoms of potential issues. This allows you to address these issues before they escalate into full-blown problems, thereby minimizing costly downtime. For instance, the AI might detect a trend of rising temperatures in a certain component, indicating impending overheating. Before the component fails completely and halts the entire operation, preventative measures can be taken, such as replacing the component or adjusting the cooling system. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, is truly a leap forward in maintaining the health and longevity of SMT equipment. So, self-diagnostics and predictive maintenance are great, but what does it all mean for the future of SMT equipment? Well, let's delve into that. One of the most notable benefits of integrating AI into SMT equipment is the potential for improved uptime. This is because AI has the power to predict and prevent potential issues before they even occur, leading to fewer disruptions and more seamless operations. Imagine an assembly line that hardly ever stops, a factory floor where machines are constantly humming, producing high-quality products at an accelerated pace. This is what AI promises for the future of SMT equipment. It's a future where increased productivity isn't just a possibility, it's the norm. And the effects of this increased productivity, they ripple out, leading to overall growth in the SMT industry. So, in the grand scheme of things, AI is more than just a technological advancement, it's a catalyst for a brighter, more efficient future in the world of SMT equipment.